Yes, you can make calls from a secondary line or even switch it permanently in your settings. Here's how you can do it in every possible way. First, from the Dialpad in your phone app. Go ahead and open the phone app. On the Keypad tab, you'll see an option at the top to change the default SIM or line before dialing a number. Just tap it and pick your secondary line. Here's a quick trick, too. You can search for a contact right from the dial pad. For example, if you're looking for Tim Apple, just type using the keypad letters. T is on 8, I is on 4, and M is on 6. As you type, you'll see matching contacts pop up, and you can call directly from there. Another way is through the Contact Details page. Open any contact and you'll see an option to set the default line for that specific person. Just select your secondary line and that contact will always be called using it. Now, the third method is to change the default line for all calls. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Cellular. Tap on Default Voice Line, then switch it to your secondary line. That's it. Now your phone will use the secondary line by default for all calls. Hope this helps you out. Don't forget to like, support, and subscribe for more quick updates like this. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below.